Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you about how credits works on writesonic. Basically what credits are, you will get a certain amount of credit and different variants of plans. So as you can see right over here, we'll have the free plan where you will only get 3 credits. So in the free trial you will get 3, and the more higher plan you will take, the more amount of credits you will get. Now what exactly credits are used for? So credits are basically used for generating articles or anything related to AI content. So it will again depend on what type of content you are looking for, how many words are in that content, or how much enhanced that content is. Depending on all of those factors, your credits will be cut from your account. So let's say you want an article, so you just simply wrote write me an article on a certain topic. So that's the only prompt you use. So in that way, a few amount of credits will be deducted from your account. But in other case, if you wanted to write a full size article for a blog post, and it will be very detailed and up to the point with multiple source links and all of that, in that case a lot more credits will be deducted from your account. So that's basically how credits work in writesonic. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to our channel, and take care.